Oh shit. And my car just shut off because if you don't got enough gas and you do that auto start shit, your car will cut back off. And my shit is all the way down to the low. But I'm about to go to the gas station right now. Basically today, let me see, let me get my phone out first. Gotta get the phone out. Alright, so yeah, today we meeting up with one of the homies. Y'all probably know him. Let me go ahead and pull this shit up real quick. Man, you see right there, Fastliferuss. Now, this nigga, like, I met this dude a while ago. Mind you, when I met him, he was Russ 392. He had like 200 and some subs. Like, I think I commented on his video or something like that and I asked him a question. We've been talking since then. Right now, he out here in Vegas, so we gonna meet up, you know, do some videos together and go ahead and, you know, show y'all both the cars together, probably get some races in, reviews, whatnot, comparisons, and that's pretty much it. So that's what we on today. Probably doing like, it's probably like the first of like, probably about like 5 or 6 videos. We're gonna try to like grind it out, get some videos done. If you ain't seen his page, go ahead and look him up, Fastliferuss. Doing some installs to the car, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Turn the bell on. If you're not already subbed to the channel, go ahead and sub up, and we're just gonna go ahead and get it in. At the gas station, shit, you got one of these Scatpacks, you already know. We at the gas station about two or three times a week. Go ahead and fill it up. Every Tuesday I fill my shit up because I get the extra 15 cents off. See, it's 360. That shit about to drop for sure. You see right there, 15 cents. Like, need all that. Yeah, fill it. 345. Yeah, at this point, it's not even no need to complain about the heat, man. It's expected. It's blazing hot.
Here at the Shell Break Gas Giveaway. New rewards members are entered every time they fill up. And if you choose new Shell V-Power Nitro Plus, you'll get 4 entries. The Shell Break Gas Giveaway. Join now at fuelrewards.com/win.
Alright, so just met up with the homie you see in the back. Camaro SS. Fastliferuss right here.
Hey, finally, hey, bro.
What's up, man?
Me, bro.
Hey, like I said, I started watching this dude when he had like 200 something subs, bro.
Definitely was already tapped in.
Hey, I looked at him because this, I think the first video I seen was when you was talking about your car payment. I was like, damn, he got cooked. You got cooked on that Charger.
If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to check that out. I was paying like $638.
Yeah, I was like,
for a lease.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, let's not.
Hey, but then you know what? He switched up, traded that in, got something way crazier. Way crazier. 2019 Camaro 2SS. Man. Yo, so there go his YouTube and Instagram right there. Go ahead, make sure you check that out, sub to his channel. And if you go to his channel, you see he just put these new wheels on here. These 305s, right?
Yep, 305.
You got 305s, 20-inch rims, 305s in the back. I believe what, 285s in the front?
Yep, 285. Yeah,
so you gotta be tapped in, bro. So I watch. Hey, I know what's going on.
Tapped in.
So he just came from Cali. He out here for a week.
Yep.
And me and him been talking. I met him like I think I asked you a question back in like 2 months ago, and ever since then we've been talking like heavy,
talking thorough too.
Heavy.
That's a real relationship though.
Yeah, real life. Like he need advice. Like he asked me some shit. I toss some ideas to him, and we go back and forth, and that's what it's about. Like, you know, small YouTubers getting together trying to grind it out, because I know,
we
like,
help each other. Who gonna help us?
Exactly, because like you go watch, I know y'all probably watch Tall Guy car reviews and fucking streets, all that shit.
Yeah.
Those bigger dudes, that's fine and shit, but you can't reach them. Like the smaller people, you reach out, they gonna see your comment because they ain't got too much traffic coming in. So
definitely respond.
Yeah, exactly.
They don't know about the all night responding.
Exactly.
Come on now. Cause
shit, you go Tall Guy. She got like 2,000 comments. He gonna say, "Good looking, champ," and that's it. and like your shit and tell you to watch, you know, the sub shit.
Responses. People ask a question, I'll break it down for a paragraph.
Exactly.
Blah, blah, blah.
Exactly.
They be like, "Good looking, champ. How about this? Big thumbs up." Come on,
man. So it's good to have somebody that's like, you know, on the same level, got the same, you know, expectations and shit like that.
Same goals.
He still got shit coming. He said when you get back, you gonna wrap the hood, right?
Yep.
He gonna wrap the hood, matte black.
Front
splitter coming. Definitely need that splitter.
I can't tell you.
And I'll go ahead and tell him, man. That way they go check the channel out. If you got a Challenger, I got the wicker build coming on Friday.
Yep.
The HELLCAT intake box coming on Thursday. I'm doing all this shit myself.
Big power gains and track.
And if you already know, got my first car club meet right there. You see right there, there goes the logo. Drop the Instagram right there. Make sure you give it a follow. We approaching at 2,500. You know it's crazy. I told you I met him at 200 some subs, and now, and now he ain't surpassed me. And ain't that some shit, man? I ain't gave him game and all that shit. And he didn't fucking surpass me, but that's good. I want to see that shit. Y'all know I got a giveaway coming. 2,500 subs, you getting a free decal and a t-shirt mailed to you. I'm gonna drop a giveaway video and let you know how I'm gonna do it, but it's gonna be fair. And I'm also gonna look at the actual people entering it too. You just go back and look at subscribers and see how long they've been subscribed and all that shit. So I'm not just gonna give it to a person who just got on the channel and they gonna win. That's how I'm gonna go. If you been fucking with me a while, you get an automatically like extra entry type shit. Like if you, I'm gonna have some type of contest rules, but I'm also gonna look you up and see if you know how long you been following me. You may get an extra entry. I'm gonna tear the papers up, drop them in the bowl, and pull them out. And that's how you're gonna do it. But like I said, this is just a quick video. We got some more shit we about to film. This is just showing us meeting up. 2019 Camaro SS, 2019 Dodge Challenger Scatpack. If you don't know, he had a 2018 Charger.
Yeah, Scatpack.
Scatpack. Yep. He was Mopar. He was a man.
Still am. Hey, the keychain.
He still got Mopar and a keychain. And you go look him on Instagram. He still got his profile pic with the Charger. With the still like. So I mean, you know, some people like the Camaro. Some people like the Challenger. Me personally, I don't.
Yeah. Isn't for everybody, because I didn't like it at first either.
Yeah, I like this hood though. This hood kind of mean though.
The hood, dude, I don't know if it's functional like for the air stuff.
Yeah. You see, he got the red guts, no basic shit. Sunroof, all that.
So this is the SRT, right?
SRT.
Yep, SRT. If you don't know, man, first of all, the calibers, the sunroof, the seats alone.
The heated and ventilated seats, for sure, for sure.
If you haven't seen this video with him, you made a video on this, right?
Yeah, I got a video on anything I installed on my car. It's all on the channel.
Don't be afraid to click back a few videos. Like, it's still
hey, definitely tap back in. I know a lot of people, they see a new video, they watch it, scroll back, because it's going to be something that you missed that's going to be beneficial probably if you're doing stuff to your car as well.
I did a review on the channel RT and it wasn't.
But that's pretty much it. So far, he only did a mid-muffler delete. He upgraded the rims and tires. And that's all you did so far, right?
That's it. That's pretty much
and that's it.
I had it on hold for 30 days.
Yeah. Hey, and you ain't seen his video, this dude, hey, he real like speed freak. Y'all may catch me, you know, speeding, but he a different type of speed, bro. So go check his channel out.
Check out the channel, man.
He got beef with Highway Patrol and all that, man. He got his car taken twice. Not only this one, but the Charger, the Charger Scatpack. He got that taken as well. And that was the first video he made, right?
That was the first video.
First video he had put on YouTube. That's what started the shit. He got his car taken and he turned something negative into positive.
Now look at us.
Now, hey,
come on now.
2,500 subs. 2,500 subs. More than me, 2,500 subs. It's crazy.
What you at, 24, like 80 something?
Yeah,
hey, you're damn near.
This week for sure. This week for sure, we 2,500 for sure. Because I'm dropping about 7, 8, 9, 10 videos this week. No cap. Yeah. So, like I said, this pretty much just a meetup video. Go ahead, wrap it up. Make sure you follow his channel, Fast Life Russ. Instagram, Fastliferuss.
Instagram and his YouTube will be in that corner down below, whichever one. You guys will get the picture.
And there you go, that's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I actually said. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here.